Hey guys, welcome to this channel. It's created by Spidey fan. Actually, no, well, Beast One bot now. Whatever. Today, you're gonna die. Come on, So yeah, don't ask what this is, but yeah, I already have a bunch of Nerf bullets everywhere. Don't ask what I'm doing with my life, but